Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, a quick one. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. And if you've subscribed also, and you can, please, we need support from you guys. We need you to follow, we need you to, join the channel membership. Even if it's the least one, the regular fans, which is less than $1, please just join to support us monthly. We need that greatly. Now, this time, right, to continue this good work. All right, so let's quickly get to the tutorial today. All right. Okay, so today we're going to look at how to actually play this song very well. You are far. Someone just starts on you are far. I know and start with the pedal point on your one. You are far. Right. Will I do that? Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Right, let me show you one of the things I'll do that's very sure. Okay, so I'll start that song from 6, but a 6 on 4. I'll do something like this. I'll do something like this. You are alpha. So I'll not just start on you are and start on 1. No, I will go from 6. You are. Yeah, how that sounds. Yee! Right, sorry. Okay, so let's look at that. So that's on your left hand you have a 6 and 4. On your right hand, that's for the first chord. On your right hand you have a 1, 4, 5, and 1. Yeah. Someone is asking why. I mean, because it sounds good. Why should I just? I've been playing for over 18 years and then I'm just starting like this. I mean, you should pity me. I'll start something like this. Something that will make people know this one has length. Yeah, so when you're looking for the reason is because you've learnt. Are you getting me? Right, let's continue, my people. I love you all. Okay, so we have a 6 and 4 on left. On right, you have a 1, 4, 5, 1. Right, that's first chord. Some of you know it, but you might not be doing it, so I'm showing you now for you to do it. Thank you. That brother, you are being distracted. Don't watch that WhatsApp notification. Continue with this tutorial. Continue watching. Don't stop. Right, first, then second. Right, we have a next chord, we have a 7 on the left and 5, right? And then on the right hand, we have a very nice sus 2 chord. Some will say sus 4 because it's G, F, C. Okay. I mean, you always know I don't have time for those theory arguments. Mine is to play very well. I mean, play very well, don't argue, finish, and then be playing nonsense. Okay, so so we have a 5. Sorry, I'm in the key of F. This is 2, 2, 5, 6, and then your 2. So then the last chord on this session is 1, 5, 1. Then on your right hand you have a 3, 6, 7, 3. So together we have a One of the good things is that it can help you to add some sugars. Tell your neighbor, say sugars. Yeah, it can help you add some sugars. Imagine something like this. I mean, you can do a lot of stuff. You can do your own like this. I mean, you can do a lot. You can do the. I mean, you can do a lot of stuff. You can do that. Woo! Not today. Yeah. Today is not the day. Yeah. I was almost entering into the. I mean, you get, but not today. Yeah, just fine. Sorry, I did 7, flat 6, 7, flatting 7 to 6. I mean, very nice. So let's proceed. Then I'll do 7, flat 2, 2, So let's look at that again. What's that again? So I'm doing after doing 6, 7, 1, then I'll go again 7, minor 2, 4, 2, there, the diminished chord here on the minor third. Let's not get distracted. All right, so we have this. Should I keep calling the chords? Yeah. 5, 2, sorry, 7, 2, 5. Then of course the same chord I gave you before on this. So the new one is the next one. Right. We have the next chord is minor 2 and 6 on your left hand. On your right you have 3, 6, 7, 3. Someone says it's too fast. It's not too fast. You are the one that is not writing. You are trying to learn what you've never learned to play before, and you say it's too fast. So should I play like this and then sleep on it? And then, I mean, no one does that. Pick your pen and paper, write. I have books where I wrote chords also. I write. So when you are writing, it will not be hard because you watch, pause, write. Watch, pause, write. Watch, pause, write. Then you practice at your own pace. God bless you. To 2 now, we have, I'm just saying it's too fast. I've never seen you supported the channel before. I mean, you should start considering that. 2, 6, 1 on the left. On your right, you have 4, 6, 1, 4. Right? Then, this diminished chord, I call it spiritual chord. Just play your minor third diminished chord. So just spread your hands, spread your fingers on. Let's not go into this. If you want to learn it, that's a diminished old tone, half tone, scale, blah blah blah. I think I have a video on that on the channel. You can comment. I'll send the link for you on the comment section. Right. So and then you get to 3. So let's look what we've learned. You are far. Then so the next one you do 5, 1, 5, 1. We was 4, 6. Then you do 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. I will not continue this because I've taught this like 1,000 times on the channel. If you need it also, send me a message on the comment section. I will send you the link. I have videos that are with a lot of views on this part. So I'll just guide you one more time. 6, 7, 1. Right, 7, minor 2, 2, minor 3, there, 5, 1, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5, 5, pedal point, 6, 7, then you do we give you all the glory. You wonder why I'm not showing you this? That's because I've done that already before. I can't be repeating stuff. Just comment on this comment section that I need this and I'll send you the link. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. God bless you.